Hi Regents Bayan family, my name is Edmil and I'm currently leading the church at Grace City, Bulacan, Philippines. So last September 2023, we started reaching out to Santa Maria, Bulacan, to a single family, and that's where we also started to reach out to the youth through Kids Work Ministry. After a month, last October 28, 2023, one of our brothers in the church saw a vision of colorful mountains and sun. Little that he knows that when he shared it to the congregation, someone is praying for it and also confirmed that vision. And after that, as time goes by, God opened doors of opportunity for us to be able to connect to the Homeowners Association officers and started to build friendship and relationship with them. And last November 17, 2024, we are able to start a house church inside the Homeowners Association office. And now, this March 30, 2025, by God's grace, we'll be launching Grace City Santa Maria Church in Pasinaya. So pray for us for fruitfulness of God's work in that place and also for more people to reach out as we continuously share the gospel in that land. So thank you, Regents Bayan family, for your support and prayers.